how to find preferences settings on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find preferences settings on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this icon, settings icon here in the top corner, and then you will find this one here, preferences. Here you can find preferences settings like notification and sounds, and manage storage and people, and you can manage anything you want. Just click on it and manage it. And that's how to find preferences settings on Messenger Lite, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.